Commander Morning, nasi isimemezelo seTheku sabasebenzi baseThekwini. Comrades, umkhonto wesizwe party une union ekhona ebizwa ngokuthi iSouth Africa is not for sale workers union. Le union ma comrade izosusa umsebenzi waseThekwini ku grade 8 uletha ku grade 10 njengabanye ama metros, njengayo iJohannesburg, njengayo iTshwane, njengayo iWestern Cape. Nathi sithi eKZN kwiTheku ake ku upgrade from 8 to 10. Why sisho njalo si confidence? Sike sayizama le last year sikhuluma no baba uVelenkosini okuyena uminister waka Cocta and sambhalela incwadi wangayiphendula. But ke la esifuna ukuya khona thina ila esithi khona abazali bethu oma bethu odadewethu abafowethu ingane zethu zisebenza kamasipala but ziya underpaywa ngokwama grade ama metros akhona eSouth Africa. Wonke ama metros agrade ugrade 10 but la ucategory 8 la eThekwini, but umeya no city manager ne executive yeTheku ihola ngo grade 10. It was researched and it was found ukuthi laba bantu badlala ngeimpilo zabanye abantu. So uma sikhuluma ke sikhuluma ngam even lento affecta even ama EPWP, i-affect ama department wonke nje. Umuntu oqashwa umasipala nje is affected, noma ngabe kuthiwa kwi-management, noma ngabe kuthiwa uyiphoyisa lomgwaqo, but is affected about this. And khumbulani phela ukuthi umasipala weTheku uyena obuyisela imali, okude kubuyisela imali ka-treasury, ukuthi imali isalile yangasebenza ekubeni abantu bebe bengayiholi imali ekufanele ngabe bayayihola. So ke now we decided as a Sanfosao, South Africa is not for sale workers union, ukuthi sithathe le initiative, sithathe siyise siyoyitesta ecourt. I understand ukuthi there is a SAMU in the midst, there is IMATU in the midst, okuyibona ke abaconsidwa umasipala weTheku, okuyibona abamasajana nomasipala weTheku, ukuthi lento izigcina ingenzeki yokuthi ku-upgradewe ucategory 10. So now ke siyazi akumbiki ukuthi khona ama unions, niyazi ukuthi bazamile kodwa kwasho ukuthi bazama nje vele bakhakhe zolunye nokhongolose okwenza ukuthi izinto zingenzeki, nanokwenza ukuthi ekugcineni abantu bengayitholi ijustice yemholo yabo. Ngokwa Labor Relations Act kune-unfair labor practice where ama-seniors ehola kwenye level nama-juniors ehola kwenye level, akukho emthethweni. So kumele ke siyokutesta in court ukuthi kahle kahle yini le echazwa umasipala weTheku ngokurobha abantu abasebenza eThekwini. Nakwabanye komasipala kunjalo futhi, wonke ama-executive ahola ngegrade ecorrect bese bethatha bonke abasebenzi babafake kwi-grade engafanele. Naso-ke isimemezelo siyacela abafowethu ukuthi nonke nijoyine iSouth Africa is not for sale workers union. Siyacela lokho isicelo nje sisemthethweni.